The whiskey sour is a classic cocktail that is known for its perfect balance of sweet, sour, and smoky flavors. It has been a favorite since the 1860s and remains a staple in bars around the world. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces bourbon whiskey. You can also use rye whiskey for a spicier profile. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is preferred for the best flavor. 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Use a 1:1 ratio of sugar to water. 1 egg white. Optional, but it gives a nice frothy texture. Garnish maraschino cherry, or a lemon twist if you prefer. Garnish lemon slice, optional, for additional decor and zesty aroma. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, old-fashioned glass, jigger, ice. Here are the instructions. Add bourbon, lemon juice, simple syrup, and egg white, if using, into a cocktail shaker. Dry shake, without ice, vigorously to combine ingredients and create froth from the egg white. Add ice to the shaker and shake again until well chilled. Strain the mixture into an old-fashioned glass filled with ice. Garnish with a maraschino cherry and a lemon slice or twist. The whiskey sour is one of the oldest known cocktails, first appearing in print in 1862 in Jerry Thomas's The Bartender's Guide. It's sometimes referred to as the cocktail of the Golden Age.